Name BMW S1000RR. Brand BMW Motorrad. Country Germany. Category Superbike. First launch 2009. Known for extreme performance plus advanced electronics. Engine and performance. Engine 999cc inline-four cylinder. Cooling liquid cooled. Power output 205 HP. Torque centésimos 0-100 km/h approx 2.8 seconds. Top speed 300 plus km/h. Gearbox 6-speed with quick shifter. This bike is built for track level acceleration and top end speed. Design and body. Aggressive aerodynamic design. Sharp fairings for airflow. Iconic asymmetrical headlights. Lightweight aluminum frame. Racing inspired seating position. Every design element is made for speed and stability. Aerodynamics and winglets. Advanced aerodynamic winglets. Creates downforce at high speed. Improves front wheel stability. Helps during acceleration and cornering. Winglets keep the bike planted at extreme speeds. Electronics and riding modes. Riding modes. Rain, road, dynamic, race, race pro. Features. Traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake control, slide control. Electronics make the bike safer and more controllable. Braking system. Dual front disc brakes. High performance calipers. Race grade braking power. Strong stopping performance at high speed. Brakes are designed to handle extreme speed safely. Suspension and handling. Advanced front and rear suspension. Adjustable settings. Lightweight chassis. Excellent cornering ability. Handling is sharp, precise, and track-focused. Digital display. Full-color TFT screen. Shows. Speed. RPM. Gear position. Riding mode. Lean angle. Lap timer. Track use. Feels like a professional race bike dashboard. Weight and control. Approx. Weight 197 kilos. Wet. Balanced weight distribution. Easy control at high speeds. Stable during cornering. Price. International approx. USA, Europe, $18,000, $22,000. Depends on version and packages.